welcome everybody. Listen me here. The question is very simple. Okay, what they have given for the given figure ABCD, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means what? In a circle, okay, there will be some quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means there will be four sides, but with irregular shape. It does not. You cannot make it as a square, or you cannot make it as a rectangle also. Okay, what's the thing they are given means? They have given that ABCD also they have given the figure itself. So A they are given, D, C, B, everything they are given. And what they are given means angle ADC is equal to twice angle CBA. And they are asking the value of angle CAB. Okay, it's very simple. And I have to tell you the major concept. Okay, concept of this one. There will be three concepts available. Number one. So what is the number means what? The sum of opposite angle. So opposite angle of a not quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral or equal. Cyclic quadrilateral or equal. Okay, and the next one what they say is the angle subtended. I'll tell you about the angle subtended. The angle subtended by the diameter of a circle. By the diameter of a circle. By the diameter of the circle. Okay, so how you can say means if we draw a complete circle, because already you know, is it right? A, B, something available, is it right? What they are given, because they are subtending. Have you seen dot lines? Is it right? So that you have to draw. So how we can draw means you can draw in this way. So it is like a triangle. So here you can make a and here you can make a C. You can make a B here. Is it right? So this is the angle subtending. Is it right? So the angle subtending, and that is very important. And the angle subtending, that is equal to the value of, okay, at any point of a circumference. Angle subtending is of a circle at any point. So at any point of a circumference, any point of circumference is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. That is very important. You have to find. And as usual, simple third one, the sum of all internal angles. The sum of all. Don't worry, I'm just writing in a rough way, right? No problem. You can just make a follow of me. That is very important. Okay, internal angles is, because all the three means what, automatically it will be giving 180 degree. Okay, that is the one. This is the main concept. So from here you have to follow. Okay, what is the first one? We have to go to the question mainly. Okay, so we can have a question from here. What is the question they have given? From the question, angle ADC. Okay, so this angle ADC. Okay, this angle, and then afterwards plus. So here have you seen they have marked an angle CBA. Angle CBA, that's equal to 180. Okay, from the, because you know that the sum of the opposite angle, that's why I given in the first one, cyclic quadrilateral are equal, and it will be equal to 180 degree, that I have to mention 180 degree. So I have given 180 degree. So automatically in the sum itself they are given angle ADC equal to twice angle CBE. So you have to give, instead of this, what do you give? 2 into angle CBA plus angle CBA, which is equal to 180 degrees. Is it right? Already 2 CBA, both are same. Is it right? So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into angle CBA, that's equal to 180 degree. Automatically if you take the 3 to the right hand side means the CBA angle will be equal to 60 degree. Is it right? You take it as one section, angle CBA is equal to 60 degree. Then the angle subtended. So already you want to go for the second point. The angle subtended, is it right? The angle subtended of any point at the diameter. Okay, you take this one. No need to, I don't want to write here because everything is written here. What is ACB? It's equal to 90 degrees, is it right? So this angle will be 90 degree as per the theorem. Okay, so angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. You take the second one, mark this as the number 1, and mark this as number 2. And I have to go for the number 3, third one. What's that? Sum of all internal angles is equal to 180. Is it right? So how do you make this an internal angles? So first one, you take it as angle. So the angle of, that means what? You take in triangle, in the triangle ACB. Okay, the triangle ACB. Okay, you take the triangle of ACB in this triangle. angle ACB. Okay, so what you do means I'll tell you, angle CBA plus angle CAB. So at the center you have to make the all names. C you are already having, is it right? Then next one you have to take B. Already CB over, right? You have to take A. There is a small clue. Then total is equal to 180 degrees. Is it right? Already you know ACB is 90 degree. Is it right? So you have to take 90 plus, you know, CBA. What is CBA? Which is 60. 90 plus 60 and afterwards plus, you don't know CAB, is it right? And that is the question also. Angle CAB only is the question they have asked. It's equal to 180. Automatically what you have, 90 plus 60, 150. Is it right? 150 plus angle CAB, which is equal to 180. So if you take 150 to the other side, what you have, angle CAB, that is equal to 180 minus 150. 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. That is the angle. You have to select the first option. Okay. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, means please comment in the comment box. Thank you.